Are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
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 Let's learn SQL. Let's learn Splunk in the way I teach SQL. If you remember in SQL, I start teaching you through select command, right?
Yes.
Then I teach you where, right? Then like, then count, right? Distinct, right? Correct? Then order by, right? Then finding highest and lowest values. Correct, right? In Splunk, also the same thing. First, you need to search. Where means filter. Okay. Then in where the like command come, then transform, then come aggregate, then visualize, and then enrich and clean the data. Today I'm going to show you one by one all the commands from here till here. So first command is search. First command is a search command. So whenever you start writing the Splunk command, it always starts with a search command. So search is equivalent to select in SQL. Search is equivalent to SQL, select in SQL. So search is a starting point of every query. It tells Splunk where to look and what to look for. Okay, so where to look and what to look for. So let me start with Splunk. I click on open. So whenever you write the first command called search command, you need to write like this. Index, okay, index equal to quotation open, index name, quotation close. Now, let's assume the index name is underscore internal. So you need to write like this, index equal to quotation open underscore internal quotation close. So what search command will do? It is equivalent to select in SQL. Search is the starting point of any Splunk command. It helps you to understand where to look for and what to look for. What is index? I'm repeating again. Index is a storage location where the particular commands or particular logs are available. Now, in one organization, there can be many indexes. When you are writing a Splunk command, you need to tell Splunk which index go for and what to look for, which index you need to search and what to search. Understand? Clear? Yes or no? Clear till here? I'm going step by step and make sure that in the next 45 minutes, your entirely Splunk thing should be clear. So if you have doubt, you can ask me right now.
The index going to be always internal?
No. No, no, no. The name is internal. The name is internal. Okay. So what is index? Index is a storage location. Okay. Index is a storage location. For example, let's assume, okay, uh, in your kitchen, you have a different box for uh, uh, wheat, different box for rice, different box for pulses, different box for noodles, right? So same way, index is also container where a particular logs are available. So when you start writing the Splunk command, you always start with the search command. And in search command, you need to mention that where to go and what to look for. Okay, which container to go and what to look for. Understand? Clear? Clear?
Yes.
Now, your question is, do index name always internal? No, index name can be anything. Index name can be anything. Like when I go to my Splunk, I go to settings. Can you see here? If you go down, you will find indexes. Click on it. You have these many indexes available. Audit index. In audit index, you have audit data available. Config tracker, DM summary, DS client, internal. Got it? Then you go to the second page. You have these available. If you remember this tutorial we created yesterday when we filled the external data. So these are the index names. Understand? Clear? Yes or no? Clear?
Yes.
Now, I click on this Splunk Enterprise logo and I'm here. Here, let me write index equal to quotation open underscore internal. Quotation close. Run. When you run, you will see that you have these many logs available. Now, how many logs are available? How will you understand how many logs are available? You can see here you have the number of events are 82,353. These many logs are available. Correct, right? Got it clear? Yes or no? Now, this is what internal log. This is what logs available in the internal index. Now, instead of internal, if I write over here tutorial and I click on search, tutorial will not give you the last 24 hours, so I need to click on all time. Can you see? In tutorial index, the number of logs which are available. In tutorial index, the number of logs which are available is 109864. Understand? Clear? So each and every index has different number of logs available. And what is index? Index is a storage location which contains specific logs. Understand? Clear? Yes or no? Clear? Got it?
Yes.
Clear, everyone?
Yes, Professor.
Now, if you want to find, now, here you have, can you see? When I say index internal and I say all time, I got these many records. How many records? Almost 163,680. Out of that, I want to know how many records have error in it. How many records have error in it? Okay. So what you need to do, you need to write error. Error. Run. So out of 163,680 records, only 1,616 records are the records where you have error word available. So this is like a where clause where you are putting condition. This is like a where clause where you are putting condition. Understand? Clear? Yes or no? Clear? Got it? Clear? Guys,
Yes,
clear.
sir. Sir. Yes,
Look,
Prof.
Clear, Prof.
look, there is no, look there. I always say that for Splunk class, for me, data analytics is the main topic. If you don't want to come to SOC Analyst class, don't come. But if you are here right now, make sure that in the next half an hour, 40 minutes, all the Splunk important commands should be properly insert in your brain. So when I say
Okay.
clear, you need to give me answer whether it is clear or not. There is no mandatory that you need to join the class. It is all for your career, my dear. Okay. Wonder, Valerie, Taj, Tabriz, Sil, Steve, Seth, Sean, Patrick, Olayemi, Motunde, Mame, Clear, Jinal, I don't know who.
Clear.
Clear.
Fadi, Esther, Mecca, David,
Professor, clear. It's clear.
Clear.
Anita, Amita, clear?
Clear.
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 Clear, bro.
Okay.
Yeah, Prof.
Okay. Now, so when we talk about the where clause, the second command, where clause, where, when we filter, okay, we need to write index. Right now, we are using the internal, so internal, and I write error. Got it, right? Clear?
Clear.
Now, perfect, good. Now, the third is the table command. Table command means we are going to select particular commands. We are going to select particular columns. Select particular columns. Let me teach you in this way. I go to SQLite. I write select asterisk from customers. I'm doing it in SQL, okay? Why I'm teaching you through SQL? Because you know SQL very well. Select asterisk from customer semicolon. It will give you all the data. But I don't want all the data. I want for my specific study, I want only customer name, country, and city date. So you got only customer name, country, and city. Correct? Same way in Splunk, right now you are getting all the data. If I click on particular log, I can see all the data. I can see all the data. Can you see over here so many things are available? But I don't want all the data. I want only specific data. So I go to the next line. How to go to the next line? Click on Shift and Enter together. Shift and Enter together. This is Shift and this is Enter. These are These are the two buttons which you need to press to go to the second line. Now, here you write table, host, source type, source. Table, host, source type, source. And click on search. So this will give you only specific records for host, for source type, and for source.
Okay.
Host, source type, and source. But can you see over here, I'm getting duplicate records. Can you see? I'm getting duplicate records. Means what's the significance of this? The first, these commands are duplicates, right? Same kind of, right? I don't see any difference. Same way, the next, these commands are duplicate, right? Correct? Correct, right? Yes or no? Correct?
Correct,
Yes.
Prof.
First, let me write this in notes so that I can share the notes with you. So table command select particular columns. Okay. Oops. What is this? Now, table command select particular columns. Now, fourth command is a dedup command. Dedup. Dedup command. What is dedup command? Dedup command is equivalent to distinct. Equivalent to distinct. What is distinct command in SQL? What is distinct command in SQL? If I write,
Unique.
what is OLIME?
Oh, I'm sorry. I said a unique.
Yes, correct. Correct. So now why to say sorry when you are giving the right answer? Select country from customer semicolon will give you country data. But here, can you see we have duplicate records? We have duplicate records. How to delete the duplicate? To delete the duplicate records, you will write select distinct. Bracket open, country, bracket close, from customer semicolon. Correct?
Yes.
It will give you unique records. It will give you unique records. But here, how will you identify? Here, how will you identify? Here, how will you remove the duplicate records? So you need to write dedup. Dedup. Make sure that when you are writing any command, it should highlight in a blue color or purple color. Got it? That means your program is correct. If everything is in a black color, that means your program is incorrect. So dedup, as soon as I write dedup, it turns to a blue color. That means it is correct. So I write dedup source. Dedup source. That means I want to find the unique value of the source. Run. Check now. You will find the unique records. You will find the unique records. Correct, right? Yes or no? Correct?
Yes, correct.
Now, question is, why I write dedup source? Why I don't write dedup host? If I write dedup host, can you see? I get only one. Always remember, whenever you want to remove the duplicate values, always remove the duplicate values from the lower level of the hierarchy. Whenever you want to remove the duplicate values, always consider the lower level of the hierarchy. Okay. For example, country, state, city. If you want to remove the duplicate, always select city. Okay. Parents, children, grandchildren. If you want to remove the duplicate, select grandchildren. Same way, host, under host you have source type, under source type you have source. Which one to take? Source. Got it clear? So you need to consider the lowest level of hierarchy to remove the duplicates. Understand? Clear? Yes or no? Clear?
Yes, Professor. Yes, got it.
Clear, Prof.
Very good. Look, I'm preparing the notes for you guys as well. Okay. So I will share
Okay.
these notes with you so that you can practice, right?
Okay.
Now, okay. I write index equal to quotation open underscore internal quotation close. Run. Can you see you have these many logs available. How many? 167, 589. But out of that, if I write error, you will get only 1,616, 1,678 records. Okay. That means this is the way you can apply the where clause. This is the way you can apply the condition. But what is condition? What is where clause? When you want to filter out the data, what is condition? What is where clause? You have huge number of data. Out of that, you want a specific amount of that data. For that, you need to apply a where clause. Where for that, you need to apply condition. Understand, right? Clear, right?
Yes.
It is almost like this, my dear. Okay. When I go to SQL and I write select as when I go to SQL and I write select asterisk from customers run, you get all the data. But I write select asterisk from customer where country equals to quotation open France quotation close. You will get only France data. You will get only France data. Correct, right? Right? Then I want and salary greater than 4,000. You will get France data with salary greater than 4,000. Agree, right? Yes or no? Correct.
Yes.
Now,
Correct.
in Splunk also, you have all these features available. For example, I write index internal, I search it, I got total 167, 689 something records. Now, I click on Shift Enter and I write where source type, where source type is equal to, here you have a source type. I want only Splunk D. Only Splunk internal errors. Splunk internal logs. So I write quotation open, Splunk D, and I run. Out of that, these many records. Out of 168,675 logs, out of 168,675 logs, only this much record consider under out of 168,675 logs. You have 126,371 records under Splunk D, means these are internal logs. I write here error. Search. Now, what will happen? In source type Splunk D, how many have error word in it? How many have error word in it? Only 149. Got it clear? Yes or no? Clear? Got it?
Yes, got it.
Yeah.
This is the
Yes.
way you can apply the condition or where clause. This is the way you can apply the condition. That means the fifth command is filtering the data. Filtering the data. Where command in SQL. Got it clear? So what this command will do, it will first bring you all the data. Then out of all the data, only error, only the one which has error word in it. And then out of all those error words in it, how many have source type Splunk D? Got it clear? Yes or no? Clear? Got it?
Yes, got it.
Now, like operator. If you remember, when I taught you SQL, I teach you like operator as well. Let me give you a little bit about SQL knowledge first. Select asterisk from customers, semicolon, will give you all the data. But here, if I write where customer name, like, quotation open, a percentage, quotation close. So what this query will do, it will bring you all the records. It will bring you all the customer name. It will bring you all the customer name which start with alphabet A. Correct, right? Got it? Yes or no? Correct?
Yes, correct.
Correct.
Let's find out how to do this through Splunk. Okay. So I write index internal, then I write where like. Can you see, as soon as I write it in a capital letter, it's not working. That means Splunk is a case sensitive. Splunk is case sensitive. So I write where like raw Now, when you run this command, What we are telling Splunk to do, we are saying that whichever the raw logs available, out of those raw logs, try to find which one has an error word in it. So what we are saying that in your internal index, whichever the raw logs available, out of all those raw logs, try to find the one which has the error word in it. Got it? Clear? Yes or no? Clear? Got it?
Yes.
Yep.
Yes, sir.
Now, error which has an error word in it. Okay? Error. Now, what is the sign of this percentage? What is the sign of this percentage? If I write percentage, error, percentage, that means before and after there can be any number of words. Percentage means number of words. Before and after, any number of words can happen. Got it? Clear? Yes or no? Clear? Got it?
Yes.
Yeah.
And if you have only percentage in front, what will it bring?
It will bring, if you write only percentage in front, it will try to find all those logs which ends with the word error. If you write only percentage error, what will happen? It will try to find all those logs. It will try to find all those logs which has the error word, which ends with the error word, which ends with the error word. Got it? Clear?
Clear,
Prof,
clear,
but how
clear.
do you know the commands to put? How do you know which commands to put at the point in time?
Depends upon your requirement. Depends upon your requirement. Okay. Let's assume you are checking the logs and you are saying that, okay, I'm getting some error messages. Okay. As soon as you come to office, you find that in your first log, some error messages are there. So now, so you just reached office and you find a error message log. Got it? But that
Yes.
log, maybe that log is not a new log. Okay. Maybe it is coming from the past 1 or 2 hours. So you want to find all those log which has the error word in it. So you are going to type index equal to within quotation index name, then error. You will get the error logs. In that way, you can find it out that this error is coming from at what time and it is coming from which host. Then you can go to that host and you can find out why that host is generating error.
Okay.
What is host? Each and every laptop, each and every computer is a host. Understand? Got it, right?
Yes.
Oh, sorry,
Got it,
Prof.
Leo?
Yeah,
Yes,
Prof, but
sir.
I think the question is more about how do you know the syntax? Do you ask ChatGPT or is it something we learn like we learned in SQL?
The way you learn SQL, the same way. In SQL also, remember, when you start learning SQL, you don't have any idea about SQL. But within 1 month, when you keep practicing it, okay, then you don't need any suggestion from ChatGPT or anywhere else. If someone will ask you that write a query to bring all the data from the customers file, select asterisk from customers. Write a query to bring all the data from customer where country name is France and salary should be arranged in a descending order. Select asterisk from customers where country equal to quotation open France quotation close order by salary TSC semicolon. So when you keep practicing it, you automatically start generating syntax through your own brain. Same happened with Splunk. Splunk programming language is actually exactly same like a SQL. When you keep practicing it, you don't need to think about anything else. You automatically start giving the answer. That's why the practice is important. Got it? Nowadays, you have a chat GPT and all the other stuff. When in 2016, 2017, when I introduced with the Splunk, I don't have chat GPT. So I either Google it or I practice it in such a way that I always have the syntax ready. And I do have a proper notes with. So you have a chat GPT nowadays, you can ask chat GPT to give the syntax to you. Okay, but are you going to use the chat GPT in interview? No. During the interview, you need to give the answer through your own brain. So make sure that you practice. Got it? Clear? Clear?
Clear, Prof. Thank you.
Professor, one question. Sometimes we put underscore and sometimes we never put the underscore. What is the difference?
Depend upon the name of the index. Depend upon the name of the index. Tabriz, you know what? If you go to the UK, people have this kind of name: George 4, George 3, March 2nd, right?
Right.
Correct?
Right.
Right?
Mhm.
Right. So if you come to the African countries, you will find that the names are big names with the middle names.
Yeah, very big.
Right, very big names. If you come to the Asian countries, like India, Pakistan, and all, they have first name and last name. That's it. That's it, right? If you go
Middle
to
East have couple of names.
some people have middle name, but not most. If you come to the Chinese or Japanese over there, they have very small names: Su, Zu, Sui, right? Small names, right?
Yeah.
So it all depends upon that, right? So index name, that is just an index name. Someone put underscore in it, so you need to call it through underscore. Got it, right? And understand. So these are index name. So it is not mandatory to have underscore over there.
My life for $6.99. Secret is this app called Too
Got
Good
it.
To Go. The phase
Got it, right?
Thanks.
There is queue answer. Does that have something to do with the throttle queue? Somewhat, yeah.
Okay. If you can see, Tabriz, to give your answer in a more proper way, if you go to the index directory, and if you see the index over here, you can see the most of the indexes which are available by default in Splunk. Most of the indexes which are available by default in Splunk, they all have underscore in it. Can you see? Underscore audit, underscore config tracker, underscore DM summary, underscore DS APP. So Splunk do this intentionally to make sure that their name is different. But if you look into the one which I created, I never used underscore. I just created it with the simple name like tutorial, test, summary, Splunk logger, main, history. Got it? Clear? Clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is just a name. So you don't need to worry about it. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now, so I was talking about the like operator. So let me write the like operator again. Index equal to quotation open internal. Actually, you don't need to write the command again. Go to the Splunk programming language search history. Can you see your last searches are available here? Whatever the last searches you have done, it is all available here. You need to click on add to search. Means this is such a beautiful thing. You don't need to write the program every day. You don't need to write the program every day. Means once you have written, it is available in your search history. Anytime you click on add to search, and you can click on it and you can get your data. Understand clear? Yes or no? Clear? Got it?
Yeah.
How do you access that again?
How to access that again? Okay.
Yes, please. I missed that.
Okay. No problem. Look over here. When you click on this logo, you are here in the search area. Correct,
Yes.
right?
Yes, sir.
Can you see here Splunk programming language
Oh,
search
yes.
history is available? Right?
Yes. Yes.
Click on it. And you have all the searches.
Okay.
available. Got it? Clear? Yes or no? Clear?
There. There. Thank you.
Perfect. Now, the next is statistics command. The next command is called statistics command. What is statistic command? A statistic command will do the aggregation. Now, what kind of aggregation? Okay. SQL group by. Now, stats command aggregation SQL group by clause. Okay. SQL group by clause. Now, what is SQL group by clause? If you remember, if I write select asterisk from customers, it will give you this data. If I write select country, okay, comma salary from customers, it will give you this data. But I don't want this. I want all the Germany data, all the Germany. I want that for all the Germany, I want the salary to be add together. Got it, right? Clear? So you write select country, comma, sum, bracket open, salary, bracket close, from customers, group by country. What this will do, it will actually sum the salary. For every country. Got it right? Clear? Yes or no? Clear? Got it?
Yeah. Yeah, got it.
Let me teach you in this way. You will understand more better. If I write select country, comma, salary from customers, order by salary, semicolon. What this will do, can you see? No, order by country, I'm so sorry. Now, can you see? You have Argentina 3 times coming. Austria 2 times coming. Belgium 2 times coming. Brazil, so many different time comings. I want each and every country data only once, and the salary should be added together. Got it? Clear? Yes or no? Clear?
Yes.
Yeah.
So select country, comma, sum, bracket open, salary, bracket close, from customer, group by country. And when you run this, you will get only one country and the salary should be summed together. Right? Got it? Clear? Yes or no? Clear?
Yeah.
Now, let's go to the Splunk. I write index equal to quotation open underscore internal quotation close index equal to quotation open underscore internal quotation close. Here I type all time run. Now, out of all these logs, I want to see that for each source type, how many events happen. For each source type, how many logs happen. So I give a pipe sign here to separate it. Then I write stats count by source type. Stats count by source type. When you run, can you see for each source type, how many logs are happen? For each source type, how many logs are happen? For each source type, how many logs are happen? For each source type, how many logs are happen? Got it clear? Yes or no? Clear? Got it?
Okay.
For each source type, how many logs are happen? Got it clear? Yes or no? Clear? Got it?
Clear.
Yes, sir.
Now, this is how we do the aggregation. This is how we do the aggregation in Splunk. This is almost equivalent to group by. Now, if you look into the above data, tell me, is it coming in a sorting order? Yes or no? Look into this data, my dear, and tell me, is it sorting? Yes or no?
No.
No.
Ascending or descending or no sort?
No.
No sorting.
No
No
sort.
sort. No sort at all, right? No
No
sort
sort at all.
right. So now the eighth command which we are going to learn is the above data is not in sorting order. How to make it sort? So first I'm going to teach you descending, how to make it descending sort, and then I will show you ascending. For descending, what you need to do, you need to write like this. Sort minus count. Sort minus count. When you run it, you can see that it is all descending. Can you see the values are decreasing over here? Can you see the values are decreasing, right? Correct? Got it? Clear? Yes or no? Clear?
Yeah. Yeah.
Clear. That is descending. Now, what is ascending? What is ascending? You need to write sort plus count. Okay, sort plus count. Run. You will get the value ascending. Can you see the values are increasing? Can you see the values are increasing? Got it? Clear? Yes or no? Clear? Got it?
Yeah.
Clear. Hmm.
Now, ninth command is how to find top and bottom records. How to find top and bottom's record. How to find top and bottom records. Now, let's see. I want to find the first 5. I want to find the top 5. And I want to find the bottom 5. It is easy. Okay? It is very, very easy. If I write sort minus count, what it will do? It will give me the value in a descending order, right? Yes or no? Correct? Right. Now, out of that, I want to find the only top 5. So I write head 5. You will get the first head 5 records. Got it, right? Got it.
Yeah.
If you write, but so this one is top 5. This one is top 5. Got it? How to find the bottom 5? Bottom 5 is again very easy. If you write sort plus count and run it, you will see these values. Now you just need to write head 5. You will get first 5, means these are the bottom 5. Got it? Clear? Yes or no? Clear?
Yes. Yeah.
Now, the last command for today's class. How to find nth highest and nth lowest record. How to find the nth highest and nth lowest record. What is nth highest and nth lowest? For example, in the above query, please bring the 9th highest record.
Oh, okay.
Got it, right? Now, for example, I write sort minus count. Sort minus count. What it will do, it will bring everything in a descending order. I want the 9th highest. I want the 9th highest, only the 9th highest. So what you need to do, you need to write streamstats. Streamstats. It's a new command, streamstats. Count as rank. Count as rank. When you do this, you will get a new column here with the ranking. Can you see? When I write here, streamstats, count as rank, what it will do, it will bring a new column called rank. Got it? Clear? Yes or no? Clear? Right?
Yeah.
Now it is very easy. Now it is very, very easy. You just need to write where rank equal to 9. Simple.
Oh.
What a big deal. Got it? Understand? Clear? Yes or no? Clear?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah. So it means the difference.
Streamstats.
You have to practice
Yes.
just the language.
Now I'm sending you this email right now. I'm sending you this email right now. You guys need to practice this. Got it? Clear? Clear?
Yes.
Was a little late today. Can you please send the recordings as well?
Yes, that I will send you right away. But
Thank you.
guys, please practice this, okay? Because today I created these list of assignments actually so that today before the class I decided that I'm going to give you something so that in the next 1 hour you understand almost all the important commands of Splunk, and that is what I covered. All the important commands of Splunk covered in one go. Understand? Clear? So this is very important to practice. Got it? Clear? Clear?
Yes.
So we are going to meet
Yes.
next Saturday again. Friday again, and we are going to learn something new. Got it? Take care.
Yeah.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Our next class is Friday.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Prof.
Prof.
Prof, good evening, good night. Yeah.
Yes.
Very much.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Prof,
Good morning for me.
Prof, sorry I
Hello,
came in late.
Prof. Are we having class tomorrow?
Do you guys want me to have some rest? Okay. One
Yes,
Sunday
Professor.
also I have a you want the class tomorrow also. Like, I mean, what
Oh,
do
just
you
want
want?
to know if we have.
Do you think that your professor is a robot?
Oh no,
No.
even
I don't
me.
have
It's
any
like
life to means at least I want little sleep. Okay. Sunday, Saturday also. Today is Sunday. Okay. Today is Sunday in India. I'm taking class at morning 6 o'clock. Now let me sleep on Monday morning at least. Okay. No, you want the class tomorrow as well.
no,
God,
don't worry.
No.
take care. Bye. Good night.
All right.
All
Thank
right,
you.
thanks.
Good night, Prof.
Thank you. Thank you
Bye,
very much.
Prof. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Bye.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.